Hello guys, my name is Henry. Welcome to my YouTube channel. And the main aspect of this video is to teach you guys how to create your own free Solana Memecoin website and also to create your own Solana Memecoin with just $2 to $3 capital and above. And all this will be possible with no coding experience. But before we go straight to the point, please show some gratitude by liking this video and subscribing to my YouTube channel, and also don't forget to turn on the notification bell which will enable you to which will enable you to get which will enable you to get notified each time I upload new video on this channel. So today I will be walking you through on how to create your own Solana Memecoin stroke free website to promote your own Solana Memecoin. But before we do that, please, I need you to subscribe to my channel. This is my YouTube channel. I'm posting everything about Web3. Please show some gratitude by subscribing to this channel. So let's get started. First thing you need to do is make sure that you have this Phantom wallet. We are making use of Phantom wallet. So please, in case if you don't have it installed in your web browser extension, you can download Phantom, and also you can also use software. If you are making use of software, it's also recommended for this video. So you can download software wallets again, but I'm gonna be making use of Phantom wallet. So before we get started, firstly we are going to create a website for our token, and everything is totally free. So what you need to do is to search webby.fun. So this is what you need to search. So this is how the website looks. Okay, so this is we are going to create a website. Now, let me just show you sample of the website so far. People, okay, you guys can see this website. So creative. It's just a simple website and the necessary information that a Solana meme coin we need for the promotion. So it's no more like it's no more like adding huge information. So this is the necessary information that a token project needs. So let's get started. Please, if you are watching this video, make sure to subscribe. Please show some appreciation, so it will keep me to do more video like this. So what you need to do is to connect your wallet first. So connect. Just hold on, let me type in my password and just confirm connect to the wallet. So let's say for instance I want to name my domain. Actually the domain is free from full cart. All right, this is how the website looks. So let's say that. All right, that's make sure you pay attention to my screen. This is how I did the website. Although this is my first time, but I need to walk you through the update. So all right, yes. Now right, it will be good in okay. So, so let me just select a random link for this. I think I have it over in mind. So make sure you are paying attention to my screen. I have a logo in mind. Let me just upload this. All right, and again, now scroll down, project name, yes, yes, cut. Yes, on full cards. On Let me just write it together on full cards. On full cards. If you have a Twitter for your talking project, you can also upload the Twitter link here and also your Telegram link. This Telegram link, I think it connects to here. So if you have created you know, let's say that you have a Twitter for this project, you can input it there. So let me just use my on Twitter, my YouTube Twitter link and my Telegram link. So this is what you have to do. Let's just copy this. Oh, copy this. Head back, input it, then head back, copy my own personal Telegram, copy, head back. I need to do this quick, this video quick as possible. So once you have inputted your Telegram link on the talking project, just close the then head over to the image, background image. If you want to change the background image, just tap on this. So I have an image in my, I think I should use my logo image as well as the background image. So this is how we choose my logo as the background image preview. Okay, it says image preview. So I have a logo in my, no, it doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense. I think I should use the same image as well. So here is how it looks. Project information. Ticker. Ticker should be on full part. Oh, alright. Scroll down. Contract address. If you have a contract address, you can input your contact address. Although I'll also walk you through on how to create your token as well, with not with like $3 to $2 without spending much in creating your token. So if you have a contract address, you can input your contract address, your token contract address. Okay. Hmm. Hmm. Wait. You just put a random description. Okay. Buy now. Button link. Okay. This is what it says. The button link. Buy now. You can, let's say for instance, if your token is on pump.fun, you can copy the URL and replace it here. Okay. So let me just use a random URL. I think let me just use a random URL. So again, live chat. Show live chat. Contract address. So in case if you want to show your live chat, you can input your contract address, social links like TikTok, the screener, pump.fun. You see this one, it has a pump.fun link. In case you have listed your coin on pump.fun, you can copy the URL and paste it here. If it's listed on CoinGecko, you can paste it here. You can copy the link and paste it here. Okay, this is all it needs. So let me just take for instance, let me just list. Okay, if it's on Jupiter Exchange, you can also input the link. Then how to buy. Step one, create. Okay, they have already listed how to buy. Okay, you can change this with your own image. All right. Now after that, okay, they are charging cost to create. Then this is how to create it with as cheap as I think the money I didn't have enough fund on my wallet. But this is how to create your own meme. This is how to create your own meme coin website just for free. No, without it's not for free, but I think the amount is a little bit. You guys can afford to pay that. So this is how to create it. This is how to create it. Then you can exchange your meme address here. So let me walk you through on how to create your own meme coin with no coding experience. So we have to head over to form pump.fun. So we are making use of pump.fun to create our own Solana Memecoin website. And this is the easiest way to create your own Memecoin. Although I think this is a fair launch website. Okay, I am on. So you have to connect your Solana. Someone is calling you. So yeah, you have to connect your Phantom wallet, and this is the easiest way to create your own Solana meme coin without paying huge amounts of money with no coding experience. So you have to confirm. Okay. Let's just try to random name. Uh, who I haven't even said that username is already taken. So I think we should use this one. Let me just think I have connected already. So to create your own meme point using pump.fun, start a new coin. You can name your coin that ticker description, and you can just write a random description. So upload your logo, your token logo. Now this is what you need to do. After that, create your own coin. You can see the process of creating your own coin. The pump.fun website will ask you to buy your token. So you can buy any amount of your token. You can even buy 0.003 amount of your token. You will receive this. So you can even buy a cheaper. You can even buy like $1 to $3 worth of the token that you created. So you guys can see your account has zero, so please transfer some soul to your account. So I think I'm in insufficient in my Solana wallet, so that's not the case. But this is how to create your own Solana meme coin through pump.fun. So let's navigate on the site. You guys can see the recently created Solana meme coin. Let's just click on one. This is the recent greatest Solana Memecoin website. You guys can see it has a certain criteria. Okay, okay. This one it said that once it reached like 109,000 $109,000 market cap, it will be automatically listed to decentralized exchange like Legion. Okay, so if your coin performed well, it is it is more likely to get listed on the centralized exchange like Ledger, Jupiter, and this exchange will make it. This exchange will make it possible for your token to attract more customers to buy your token. So this is how the site works. You can create your own meme coin using pump.fun. So I think we are done for today. Uh, if you come across this video, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell if you want more updates like this. Thanks for watching. Thank you guys for watching.